subtract minus 5308 from the sum of minus 4100 plus minus 3001. So what we require is first this sum of these two and then subtract minus 5308 from this sum. It means this total addition bracket minus this, it should be like this, minus 5308. Solve this inner bracket first, minus 4100 and this plus multiplied by minus, so it becomes minus 3001, bracket close. Then next, see here, this minus into minus, this is again minus minus plus and we are multiplying, so it will become minus into minus plus over here, so plus 5308. Now within this bracket, this minus minus becomes plus, means we have to add them. See here, when you just add this minus minus, then the sign doesn't change, sign is of the bigger one. So minus minus becomes plus 4100 plus 3001, 7101, sign of the bigger number, that is minus. And this plus 5308 same as it is. Now this bracket is not needed because this bracket is generally needed if there is a minus sign outside. If there is a plus sign, then no bracket is needed. So minus 7101 plus 5308. Now again minus plus this, remember these basic rules at the below level given. Plus minus 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 plus minus. So minus plus is minus. So 7101 minus 5308. This subtraction is 1793. And the sign of the bigger number, that is minus 7101, it has minus, so this minus will come down. So answer is minus 1793. Answer is C, minus